Hey guys! People pursue sewing for various reasons. It can be a hobby or a means of livelihood. Whatever the reason, we all sew fabric once in a while, and we need the perfect sewing machine that can help us create the perfect stitch. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best sewing machines available in the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. And here are the top 5 best sewing machines. Fifth on our list is the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. If you want to give every piece a personal touch with 5 stunning fonts and 600 built-in stitches, then this might be the sewing machine for you. You can be creative by having the option to mirror and elongate the stitches for even more attractive pieces. Then once you're done stitching, you can press the thread trimmer button, which will cut both the top and bottom thread, saving you time. Buttonhole sewing becomes a simple process with this machine with its 13 built-in, perfectly sized buttonhole styles. This machine can sew a buttonhole perfectly sized for a button. You just need to place the button in the buttonhole foot. It also comes with the one-touch stitch selection feature that allows stitches to be displayed on the machine's front panel, so you could simply touch the button for the stitch you want and start sewing. The features of the Quantum Stylist are 5 fonts and 600 built-in stitches, thread trimmer button, and 13 built-in perfectly sized buttonhole styles. The pros are convenient features and durability. You will surely use this machine for a long time as its internal skeleton is constructed of heavy-duty metal. This rigid support holds all the mechanisms in perfect alignment for smooth sewing and better durability. However, this machine is heavy. Built to be durable, this can weigh at over 20 pounds. If you are looking for a lighter choice, you might want to keep watching. With the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960, you will stand out from the pack with a fast sewing speed, an extensive stitch pattern selection, and an automatic tension control and thread cutting. Fourth on our list is the Singer M3500. If you want a lightweight sewing machine that is easy to use, then you just found what you're looking for. Directions are marked directly on the machine, so you'll have more time for sewing and less time for setting up. It has 32 built-in stitches for easier sewing with better results. The Singer M3500 features free arm that provides easy access to cuffs, collars, pant hems, and other difficult-to-reach areas. It also comes with many accessories such as seam ripper, lint brush, quilting guide, a pack of needles, and many more. This product comes with everything you may need, so there is no need to spend more money. Its features are 32 built-in stitches, free arm, and free accessories. The pros are its free accessories can come in handy, and useful personalized stitches. It offers basic and decorative stitches along with stretch stitches, so you can customize stitches the way you want. The con, however, is its subpar buttonholes. Customer reviews say that they were disappointed with how the buttonholes came out. To end up with the buttonhole quality that you'd like, you'd have to exert a little more effort. But with the compact Singer M3500, you can sew anywhere and anytime. The third is the Singer M1500. If you are just beginning to sew, then the Singer M1500 is the best machine for you. For someone who is starting with sewing, the stainless steel bed plate ensures that fabrics can feed through easily to avoid hems. There is also no guesswork as it only offers 6 built-in stitches to learn instead of 30 plus like other machines. The M1500's adjustable thread tension also lets you be in control of how your stitches will look. It features the thread tension dial that can be used to fine-tune the look of your stitch just the way you want it. Its features are stainless steel bed plate to avoid hems, 6 built-in stitches, and thread tension dial. The pros are heavy-duty metal frame. With a solid build, this machine can remain still for skip-free sewing, and convenient preset stitches. There's no need to make stitch length and width adjustments, which makes sewing easier. The con, though, is it has less style. Since almost everything is preset for you, you will not have much room for adding unique styles. However, since you are just starting with sewing, You can use this machine to familiarize yourself with the process and buy a more advanced tool in the future. Being the best sewing machine for beginners, the Singer M1500 is ready to guide you every step of the way. Second on our list is the Brother CS7000i. If you are looking for a lightweight machine that offers great value and ease of use, you have just found what a reviewer referred to as your friendly sewing robot. The Brother CS boasts an LCD display where you can see the stitch you've chosen. It has 70 unique built-in stitches including utility, quilting, decorative, and heirloom stitches. It also comes with an automatic needle threader. With just a touch on the lever at the side of the machine, you can easily push the thread right through the needle. The features of the Brother CS7000i are LCD display, 70 built-in stitches, and an automatic needle threader. The pros are wide table. Working on larger projects is made easier with this machine. You will be provided with the extra space you need to maneuver your project while you work. And it comes with a hard protective case to protect your machine when it's not in use. However, it features complex operations. Some owners say that they had to spend a lot of time learning about the machine before they were able to use it to their full advantage. The Brother CS in the end provides you with a fast sewing speed and a wide range of stitching patterns that you can choose from to create the perfect runway pieces. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Now we are down to the first sewing machine on our list, the Brother SE600. If you are willing to spend a few more bucks for a full range of user-friendly features and a lightweight design, then better do it for the Brother SE. This machine is suited for more advanced sewers who are looking for easy portability. It has a jam-resistant quick-set drop-in bobbin to ensure your bobbin stays in place. The Brother SE has 103 built-in stitches. Aside from utility stitches for everyday sewing, this machine includes a beautiful array of decorative stitches for customizing your creations. It is built with an easy threading system. With a touch on the lever at the side of the machine, the thread is pushed through the needle. It also provides you with an LED lit work area. Need to work on a project overnight? Its LED lights will brighten your work area so you can see your creation clearly. Its features are jam-resistant quick-set drop-in bobbin, 103 built-in stitches, easy threading system, and LED lit work area. The pros are advanced but still portable, convenient modern features, and perfect for all-nighter works. Its con though is its price. This machine is a bit costly for some sewers, but this is not a surprise with all the excellent features that it has to offer. So get the chance to expand your creative potential with the computerized and easy to use Brother SE600. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the top 5 best sewing machines. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. That's all for now, thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit that like and subscribe button. See you guys in the next videos.